Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Georgian here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. My brows are already done and I will have that linked below in my description box. I have decided to do something soft, like a soft daytime glam. Just something that is more wearable for daytime. If you'd like to see how I beat my face and get everything together and look all snatched and glowy and slayed, of course, please keep on watching.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say.
Okay, so first I want to start off with the eyes, and I'm gonna use my Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind concealer like I always use because I think it's a pretty good base. So of course this is how it looks. One palette today, guys, just one, and that's my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. Life. This palette can give you daytime glam and nighttime glam. I'm gonna go in with Mugshot first. I'm gonna apply that just above the crease. And of course this is acting as my transition color. So I apply that with a pretty light hand because I don't want anything too harsh or too heavy. Alright, so for our next color, this one will be going into the crease. This one is Siren, this one here. I'm going to take a little of that on this blending brush here and just pat that on into the crease area out to the outer V of my eyelid. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I started with for the first transition. I'm gonna blend the edges out. So as you can see, our focus for this color is just really the outer V and into the crease to deepen the crease to give the eye a bit more definition. That's what we're going for. Now we're gonna add the lid color, which is Lolly. And of course I'm using a flat brush for this. Just gonna apply that to the lid. And that brush that I used to apply Siren, which is the burgundy on the outer V, I'm just gonna use that just to blend the edges. I'm gonna use my what is wrong with me? I cannot speak. I'm going to use my Crown Pro black mascara. I'm gonna prep my lashes. Just can't decide if I should do lashes or not, but I'm not gonna do a wing today. Let me just add some lashes. The lashes that I'm going to use are the same lashes that I used in my previous video, which was my yellow and pink summer makeup look. These ones, yes, I'm going in with them again. Okay guys, so the lashes are applied. It took me a little bit longer than it did the last time, and I guess that's why I was so hyped up to put the lashes on again, because it was so easy the last time. But then this time I had quite a bit of struggle. Anyways, time for the skin. Just gonna moisturize. I won't be priming. Using my Pond's think I'm moisturized. Very important to moisturize your skin, guys. It keeps you looking very youthful. Now we're gonna go in with foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 350. One pump. Let's go. See, that one pump did that whole side. I swear to you that this foundation is literally just a bottle of my skin. Like, it just, we talked about this already, so I will not go into it. Just a little tip on the forehead. This all look too much now. Let me bring some more down here. Concealer, Fenty Beauty again, 310. Georgie loves a lot of concealer. Georgie is me. I am Georgie, by the way. Okay, goodie. For finish. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, I'm just kidding. Let it dry down a little bit. If you have huge pores on the sides of your nose like I do, please, that's my nose ring, guys. Please move the nose, like move it and get in there, like get in there. Let's get some of that on the Cupid's bow, little on the chin, and dots on the nose, and a little bit there. Don't want too much. Okay, now we're gonna set all that flawlessness with our Fenty Beauty setting powder. This one is in banana. We are lightly setting this, pressing it into the skin. Okay, now we're going to balance out with our matte mineralized skin finish in dark. And this is the powder brush from the It's My Riri brush collection. To be honest with you guys, I really love eye looks like these over the blues, the pinks, purples. Yeah, this is my speed. This is my thing. So much more easier too, you know, and it can be dressed up, dressed down, like you can use it for anything. This type of look can be for any event. Like, one thing that I like to do to just make sure that my under eye is not really, you know, too white per se, I would go into my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC43. And I'll just take a little of that and I would just dab under my eyes. So I'm gonna contour my nose with the same color with the same setting powder that I use to set my entire face, which is the Matte Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I'm going in with a angled brush. Guys, next month, September, is going to make 1 year since I've been on YouTube. 1 year. Can you believe that? Time really flies. Now to contour the cheeks. And I'm super excited. I have a new contour product. And this is the Fenty Beauty bronzer, well, one of them, and this one is in Coconutty. Excuse the mark in it, guys. I was struggling to open it with my nails and then one of them kind of scraped the powder. This is how it looks. Been wanting one of these. I needed to step up my contour game a little bit. Ooh. Flat, chiseled. Alright, now we're gonna step into blush. My Jordana 12, number 12 Redwood. This is just a little e.l.f. powder brush that I use for my blush. So we're going to use this one here for the lower lash line first. We're going to tight line with this and we're going to blend that out with this one. Got it? So I'm just going to use this flat brush first. Another one from the It's My Ray Ray collection. And now we're gonna smoke that out, blow that out, blend that out, whichever one, with the mugshot, which is the lighter brown. Number 7 brush from the It's My Ray Ray collection as well. This is more like of a pencil looking tip. What else? So we're gonna spray our face, or we should do the lips first. Let's spray first. And I'm going to be using my very new setting spray, the Morphe setting spray, setting mist, sorry. Yes, been wanting this. So let's use it. Oh my gosh. It feels like nothing went on my skin. I think I used too much. This feels so nice and it smells so good. We're gonna use a Masterchrome highlighter in 100 Molten Gold from Maybelline. I'm gonna be using the number 5 brush from the It's My Ray Ray collection again. Very nervous about this because I've gotten so accustomed to the fan brush, but let me see how I'm gonna work this now. This is nice. This brush is my best friend. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Lippy in Fuchsia. Gonna line my lips with that. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. Yeah. And I'm gonna top that off with the Victoria's Secret Beauty Rush lip gloss. It's called Addicted to Pink. This was my liner. So that's the combo. Lego. Okay guys, so I added some mascara to my lower lash line and I also added some of that same highlighter, the Maybelline Masterchrome, into my inner corner here. Yes guys, so this is the final look. I feel pretty. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, thank you so much for the support, all the love. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumb up and also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Guys, I really hope you learned something, even if it's just one thing. That's all I needed to know. Like, I really hope this is beneficial and informative as well as cute. Thank you guys so much once again. Take good care. May God continue to bless you guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.